Okay guys, welcome back. Now we are going to work on our big data set that we downloaded here. Some of you remember what is it, some of you don't remember. That's not important. You can remember whenever you want. Let's say YouTube for now. Open it. There's a data set. Let me extract here. Please put them in the folder. Yes, it pulled them in the folder. That's a good thing. We have a data set that's make of the YouTube videos and the comments. What we want to do? We want to create a neural network that learn and understand what we think. For example, what? Let's say if we give this neural network, for example, good, that's nice. It gives us the number 100. But if we say bad, the worst, it gives us the number 22. Somehow by doing this, we understand what our number means. Okay, we are going to do this big project. I think it's going to weigh over 3 or 4 hours. I don't know, but it's a good project. It have a lots of things that we can learn from it. Let's do and start doing it. Today I officially start this project, and in the next lesson, in the first final project, we will trying to make our data ready for the train. Let's go and start our progress. Don't save it, create a create a, where is it? Go back to YouTube and Python 3 file and say it, converting data to one file. Okay, we will try and do this in the next lesson. We officially start our new project. That's a big one. Bye.